The bulldozer, an essential piece of heavy machinery, has a storied history of evolution spanning more than a century. Its journey began in 1915 when the first concept of the bulldozer was put into practice by attaching a steel blade to a tractor. The innovation aimed to address the need for efficient land clearing equipment. Early models were rudimentary, but they set the foundation for future advancements. The 1920s saw further developments with improvements in the design and functionality. The initial tractors were modified to include better traction and power capabilities. During this decade, the bulldozer began to gain popularity in farming and construction sectors for tasks such as plowing fields and building roads. By the 1930s, the Great Depression prompted an increased demand for infrastructure projects, and bulldozers played a crucial role. The introduction of the tracked vehicle in bulldozers enhanced performance on difficult terrains and marked a significant leap in technology. World War II era drove technology forward. Bulldozers became more complex and efficient, capable of handling heavier loads for military purposes, such as clearing lands for airstrips and fortifications. Post-war advancements saw the incorporation of hydraulic systems, increasing the versatility of the machines. The 1960s and 70s introduced computerized controls that allowed for precision and maneuverability, a trend that continued as manufacturers sought greater efficiency and safety. Environmental concerns in the late 20th century led to innovations to reduce emissions and fuel consumption. In the 2000s, the bulldozer underwent significant transformations with GPS and GIS technology integration, enabling smart construction solutions. The machines now could undertake complex tasks autonomously with minimal human intervention.